Chinese culture of gift giving. Chinese people take human relations very seriously. For them, gift giving is an important way to show respect and maintain relationships. They believe that a small amount means a great deal. Therefore, what matters is not the price of the gift, but the friendly feeling embodied in it. One should bear the receiver and the occasion in mind when giving a gift. When you are visiting someone's family, fruits and local specialties are good choices for a gift. Or you may bring some toys or candies for the children, or healthcare products for the elderly. Of course, you may also choose a gift according to the receiver's preference. A gift is usually given face to face. If it is a birthday or a wedding gift, a card is supposed to be attached with congratulations and the giver's name written on it. It is a fashion in China today to give a red packet as a gift. A red packet is a red paper bag with blessings written on its surface and cash in it. Red packets are given to children on the Spring Festival as the lucky money, or to newlyweds, newly parents, or people who have just moved to a new residence as cash gifts for them to buy what they need. Chinese people seldom open the package of a gift immediately after receiving it. They usually accept the gift, saying thank you to the giver, and then put it aside. They won't open it until the giver has left. This shows their respect for the giver, as gifts may differ in prices, but the friendly feelings contained in them do not. There are also some taboos in gift giving. For example, there is a Chinese saying that good things come in pairs. So gifts for happy occasions had better be given in even numbers, except for the number 4, whose Chinese pronunciation resembles that of death in Chinese. As for colors, white and black are to be avoided, since the former indicates sorrow and the latter signifies disasters and mourning. Chinese people like the color of red best. They think red is a symbol of happiness, peace, and festivity. Other taboo gifts include a clock. To give a clock to someone is pronounced the same as to escort someone to the grave in Chinese. And pairs, which cannot be given to couples or lovers, since pair is homophonous to separate in Chinese. Thank you for listening to Niko's Story Factory. I hope you enjoyed the story today.